shake some for me real quick. Hey, shake some real quick. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I am so excited for this one, for this color theme, because for one, you guys voted, which actually, wait, let me pause. It was a tie. So I asked you guys what would be like the next color theme you guys would like for me to do. I said black theme as in like outfit, but my makeup would be pretty much colorful. And then I was like, oh, I can do a colorful theme with colorful outfits that would, you know, color coordinate. And I kind of had a feeling color theme was going to be more popular, but it was a tie. So I was like, okay, so which one do I bring first? So I'm going to bring colorful theme for this week, and then the next one will be black with colorful makeup. So yeah, but I'm really excited for this one because I get to color coordinate. Like, it's not just one particular color. I'm just going to find things to coordinate with the outfit. You guys, a sneak peek of my dress that I plan on wearing today. These are the colors that's in it. Ooh, pretty, right? So I'm going to color coordinate something that's going to go for this. I don't have to use the exact colors that's in here, but you know, just get like pretty much inspire from this dress. And yeah, this is a nice little comfy dress. I see a little bit of red. There's a tad bit splash of purple in here. We got green, pinkish red, orange, like pretty like bright summer colors. So I'm gonna color coordinate something to go with that. I'm gonna be using my tie-dye palette by Hank and Henry, y'all. This is what we're going for today. So I was like, let's bring out the rainbow palettes for this theme. And I think I'm gonna do like a rainbow ranking as well, if you guys are interested in that, where I do like a palette ranking of my favorite. I have a lot of rainbow palettes, so I'm probably just gonna do my top 10. Yeah, probably do like a top 10 because I have a lot of rainbow palettes. It's like, I know I have like probably over 40-ish. Yes, okay, let's not talk about my addiction. Let's get into this look. So let's zoom in, boo. I don't say nothing about my lace up close. I do not have this laid. I just put it on my head because I'm not sure if I'm going to wear this hair unit or if I'm going to wear something else, but I had to put something on the head, so that's why it's just sitting here. Okay, so now that we got that obviously out the way, let's get into the makeup. I already applied my Bravo, which is my Ultra Beauty. Okay, so now we're gonna jump into Hank and Henry palette. The first shade I want to go in with is this. Go in with this dark purple. Like I said, I see a little bit of purple. It's not really noticeable, but I think this is gonna like add a little bit of twist to the look when I add a color on my eyes that's not really like the main focus on the dress. It's gonna, y'all just watch and see. Y'all wait and see. Okay. I forgot to clean my brushes, so let me clean my brushes off really quick and then I'll get started. And this one is called Spooky. I'm gonna put Spooky in the crease. Wait, I didn't think I picked up enough purple. Alright, so now I'm going to blend out this purple, and I think I'm just going to go with the shade that's right next to it. I was kind of debating on this one, but I feel like that one might be a little too light. So let's go and see what this can do. I'm going to clean my brushes. They are shedding like crazy. I think I am going to mix more of that lighter purple because I feel like it's going to start looking like the same shade. So I'm going to remix it and add a little bit of that lavender light purple, and I think it's going to blend a lot better, and then you see more like a gradient effect with this. I do want this purple to stand out a little bit more deeper. So I'm going to go in with this black shadow. I'm going in with very little of it. And I'm just going to place it right in the crease area to give this purple the illusion that it's a little bit darker than what it really is. I do plan on cutting my crease, so. And go over with that dark purple. feel like that's a really nice, ooh, that is a really nice crease blend. Now I'm gonna cut this off camera and then I'm gonna go right in with the lid colors. Okay, so I did do this eye off camera because I wanted to see how I was gonna play around with these colors, like what I got going on. So let me show y'all what I did. So I'm gonna clean up my cut crease because this stuff does crease up. Then I'm gonna go in with these two neon colors. I'm gonna go in with this yellow and then I'm gonna go in with this pink. So let's start off with that neon yellow. And this yellow is so pretty, but you definitely have to add multiple layers just to get that vibrant yellow that's shown inside the eyeshadow pan. So that's my only downfall. I feel like that's the same thing with a lot of these eyeshadows. Like, they're so pretty once you build them up, but you do gotta add up multiple layers just to get these colors to build up though. Alright, and now I'm going to go in for that neon pink. This one you don't have to really add that many layers, like it's just certain shades in here. You're just going to pop that right next to that yellow. I'm kind of overlapping as I go, so that way it can make it a little bit more easier to blend. And then I'm just going to take the same steps that I did for my outer, which take that dark purple and that black shadow, and I'm just gonna brush that towards the outer part of the lid area. Alright, then I'm gonna add a little bit of glitter. And this is by ColourPop, Lizzie McGuire little press glitter. I don't even know if this still works because I had this for a while. I'm not sure if it's dried up, but let's give it a try. Okay, she's still moving, it's moving, so I want to take very little of this because this, when it's on, it's on. So I'm gonna kind of take my finger just a little bit, just kind of swift it around. So it's best to add just a little at a time. And I don't want it all over the lid. I just kind of want to like splatter in the center part, and I like that. So I'm gonna pop my liner and do the rest of my face. Okay, yes, I took my wig off because it was pulling a little too tight on my head. So y'all gonna just excuse my little bald naked head right now. But for my bottom lash line, I'm trying to find the correct brush. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna apply that same purple to my bottom lash line, so I am going to do like the little black and purple mix method. And I did put in some black pencil inside my waterline. Then I'm going to take that light shade of the purple, this shade right here, and I'm just going to pop that right in my inner tear duct. I did go in with some glitter glue. I did pop that right in the inner. Kind of wanted some shimmers to it, but I'm gonna just use this matte for now. All right, now I'm gonna move on to my lips. Y'all know I'm going in with a nude combo, going in with my NYX pencil. I'm gonna go in with this nude lipstick by Maybelline. I'm just trying to use like different stuff that I have in my collection, to be honest with you guys, because I feel like I do gravitate towards the same certain shade. So let's do something different. Let me put her on my lips. I'm debating if I want to go in with my candy coated or with, what is this one? Alright, they're all like coming out. I got another one too, y'all. I'm addicted to these lip plumpers. This one is Zippy. Zippy kind of looks very similar to the shade right here. I think Zippy is more like a red brown. But let's go in with Beachwood. Beachwood is a mess though. I don't know what happened to her. I said it time and time again, if you don't put these like sitting up like this, for some reason they just burst out. That's the only thing negative I would have to say about these, is that I don't know, they just weren't packaged correctly, I guess. So I'm gonna go in with Beachwood, this pretty new color. Only thing I'm missing right now is a highlighter, and I think I want to go in with Fenty today. Let's do Miss Riri. And I want to go in with the shade Afternoon Snack, which is going to be this side right here. Alright you guys, so this completes the makeup look. I hope you guys like it. So y'all get the color coordination that I was going for with this outfit. Y'all gotta excuse my background. There's kids have company right now, and I guess I didn't film fast enough before they came over here. So it is what it is. So we're gonna close this off really quick. I'm gonna show you guys the outfit, although you already seen it, but it's just a nice flowy baggy little dress. Barely showing my belly bump because it's such a big whited dress. And I forgot where I got this from. I think I got this from Lovely Wholesale last year, I think, something like that. I think so, yeah, something like that. But anywho, that is it. I hope you guys like it. I really like this color combo. I love the sparkles, and I love that matte purple that's in my inner tear duct as well, and everything else just flow together. So I hope you guys like it as well. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, leave me your feedback down at the bottom, and I hope you guys are here for Colorful Theme Week. Like, I'm so excited. Like, I'm gonna have so much fun this week to be bright and colorful and just wear like multiple colors on the eyes and then the outfits. Like, I'm so here for it. So I hope you guys are as well. So stay tuned because it's about to be a banger this week. You guys have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, stay amazing, and I'll see you guys on my next one.